Wetland is observed on 2nd of February. Low nutritious concentration reservoir is found in oligotrophic zone. Coral reefs are found between 30° north and 30° south latitude. Following is most significant factor in coral bleaching: global warming. Which is the following effective factor of coral bleaching? Rise in normal temperature of environment. Which is the major contribution of benzene pollution? Automobile exhaust, tobacco smoke, wood burning, using furnished wooden furniture, using product made of polyurethane. Gaseous pollutant, chlorine. Metal pollutant, cadmium. Deposited matter pollutant, tar. Biopollutant, anthrax. The smokes is necessarily caused in atmosphere by presence of which the following: nitrous, nitrogen and sulfur dioxide. Which of the following represents the major loss of humankind due to environmental degradation, ecosystem service? In the cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gas are normally considered as calculating the value of air quality index? Carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Air quality index 0 to 50 is good, color is dark green. 51 to 100 is satisfactory, color is light green. 101 to 200 is moderate, color is yellow. 201 to 300 is poor, color is orange. 301 to 400 is very poor, color is red. 401 to 500 is severe, color is balloon. During the normal condition, the gas which pollutes the atmosphere is CO. Which of the following is inorganic gaseous pollutant? It is H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Secondary pollutant, smog is a secondary pollutant, not a secondary pollutant, SO2. The most toxic lead metal pollutant of automobile exhaust is lead. Combustion of petrol in automobile pollution the air by maximum metal, lead. Colorless gas coming out of motor vehicle and cigarette due to incomplete combustion of carbon monoxide. The combustion of coal, petrol and diesel etc. is basic source of air pollution. Which of the following air pollutant is most dangerous? Carbon monoxide. Which of the following air pollutants get dissolved in hemoglobin of blood more rapidly than oxygen? Carbon dioxide. Which of the following air pollutants can affect blood streaming leading to death? It is carbon monoxide. The main pollutant coming out of the smoke of cigarette is carbon monoxide and benzene. The biggest source of pollutant in big cities of India is transport pollution. What is found by flying of supersonic jet? Interruption in ozone layer. Euro norms mean regulating vehicle emission of harmful